Some cars are built for the road, others are born from racing. The Porsche 911 GT3 represents the purest connections between road and track. Powered by a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat six, producing 510 horsepower, it accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.4 seconds, reaching a top speed of 311 kilometers per hour. But this GT3 is unlike any other. Finished in the exclusive Andial livery and equipped with the Manthey Performance Kit, it honors one of the most successful names in Porsche motorsport history. Founded in California in 1975, Andial became a symbol of racing excellence, with victories at legendary events such as the 24 Hours of Daytona. This is the only Porsche 911 GT3 Andial with the Manthey Kit in Brazil. To preserve every detail of this extraordinary machine, L.A Custom applied a full paint protection film package, ensuring its finish remains as flawless as the engineering beneath it. Some cars are driven, others become legends.